As we head into the holiday season, unfortunately, our COVID-19 hospitalization numbers have increased dramatically in the last 2 weeks.
We have seen a 50% increase in the number of hospitalizations at Valleywise Health in the last 2 weeks.
At Valleywise Health alone, Chief Clinical Officer Dr. Michael White says they're treating 40 patients that are hospitalized with COVID-19. More than 95% of those 40 patients have not been vaccinated, compared to less than 5% who've been fully vaccinated. It's a peak similar to the one we saw last year right before the holidays.
This year, we're coming in probably about the same level of this time last year with the number of patients that we have in the hospital as we were in November of 2020. It's starting to get cooler. People are moving activities indoors. Oftentimes we haven't been as adherent with our masks indoors as well. That virus spreads more easily.
There are two big differences with the pandemic this year compared to last year. First, we are armed with the COVID-19 vaccine.
We do have 54% of Arizonans that have had some sort of vaccination.
However, we're also dealing with the highly contagious Delta variant, which could make things worse as families get together to celebrate the holidays.
But as people come together with this Delta variant, vaccine or no, we may see these case counts continue to increase just because we know the Delta variant can affect those that have been vaccinated versus those that have been unvaccinated.
Still, Dr. White says the best way to protect you and your loved ones this holiday season is to get the vaccine.
We know that vaccine and those vaccinated, even though that they may contract the virus with this Delta variant, the cases are usually more mild. They don't require hospitalization.
Not only does it decrease your chances of ending up in the hospital due to this deadly virus, it also takes strain off hospital staff.
We don't have as many people delivering healthcare as we did this time last year with that same number. So, it's putting increased strain on healthcare delivery and healthcare systems to be able to care for those that are coming in with COVID, but even, caring for those that come in with non-COVID related illnesses.
So what can you do to help reduce the spread? First, get vaccinated to protect you and your family. Wear a mask when you attend large gatherings or go out in public. Stay home if you're not feeling well. And use the emergency room for emergencies. Use other providers like COVID-19 testing sites as needed.